this is Mark Slayer. Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Minecraft and I'm going to show you how to build the automatic armor mill. It was a success one. Look, this is not edit and I don't know how to edit, guys, because I'm still a kid or whatever. Look, if I go in there like that, we're gonna automatic wear it. I'm going to show you how it's done. How's it done, or I don't know. You don't pick any armor what you want. I just use chain, because chain are awesome. It's chains. Chain kita. Okay, so you need these materials. You're gonna needing this dispenser. Always remember that. Redstone torch, of course. Also, redstone. Like that. So first, wait, I'm just going to put this. You need 4 spaces. Okay? So, you need two space in there and 1 space in there. And put the redstone torch in there. So the redstone torch, iron block, or maybe later. And redstone torch, and also redstone torch light. See? Look. It's like the same. So you will need. Where's that crappy pasta? Alright. Also you need stone pressure plate. Of course, you need that. The second thing you need to do is to put the iron block, or what any block do you want, but it's still just here. And now also there. You need 2 redstone torch, 2 iron blocks. Also, it is 3 iron blocks, 3 redstone torch. Now, after that, put the dispenser in there, and put the dispenser also there, and also, of course, you need to go up, down, down, wait, this is gonna be hard. And there, see guys, it's so easy. Easy to make, guys. Also, you need to put the redstone in there, so it will actually not there. You need to crouch. Dang it. Not in there. Remember, guys, it's not in there. You need to put the redstone there to activate. Also, put the pressure plate in there. See, look. Wait a minute. It's not the right angle. God dang it. It's not in there. It's supposed to is like that. So always remember that. And try pressing this. And after that, you need to put some block in there. Also, you will be needing to put in there also. If it not work in your devices or computers, just say it's working on computer. Please do not. I don't know. Do not start reading. Forgot about it. Alright. So where the armor you need in? Wait a minute. Alright. So place that also. This is chest plate, remember guys. And now it's so low battery. Wait.
No battery.
Also, now we're back online. After that, the chest plate, I will be needing these chain leggings, chain boot, the chain leg. Hey, not you. Chain leggings. So chain boots. I hope it works, guys. It's so freaking hard. I don't know. It's easy. Also, put a door. But in this one, I'm not gonna put some door. Oh yeah, I'm trying. Alright! See? I hope you guys like the video. Please support my channel and also my skin are so freaking hilarious because my skins are get deleted. So this will become my skin. But please, in the next video, we're gonna show you my next skin. I'm gonna search it. Also, please support my channel. Also, subscribe into my channel. Also, like my video. Subscribe for more, guys. Alright. Also, the next episode is I'm going to show you how to make an automatic farm. I hope you guys like that. I think it's gonna be good. Bye, and I will see you later. Bye! Also, I'm back now. Lols.